Welcome to the Calming Room. In this room, you will find activities that will help you to calm down when you are feeling uncomfortable, whether you are sad or mad, worried or frustrated, or when you just need to take a break because you have been working so hard. I'd like to take a moment to show you a few tips to help you navigate this room. As you move the cursor around, you will see that it moves from an arrow to a hand as you hover over certain pictures. When you see the hand, it means that if you click on the picture, it will take you to one of the calming activities, such as this glitter jar. And you can watch the glitter in the jar, which is just mesmerizing. When I'm finished with this activity, I can X out of it on the top toolbar, or I can click back to the calming room on my toolbar. So there are many activities that will allow you to use some of your energy, such as these Go Noodle videos in the 3 different posters listed under Just Breathe, or by doing a yoga activity by clicking on the young girl doing yoga. There are also activities that will help you explore your creative side, such as doodling on the whiteboard, playing the piano on the keyboard, or drawing with a spirograph. There are also activities that you can watch and listen to calming music and pictures, such as an aquarium by clicking on the fishbowl, or an outside nature video along a wooded stream by clicking on the window. Be sure to check out the clock. It has a big challenge for you. I hope that you find many activities that help you work through whatever feelings you have right now. And remember that your school counselor is always available if you need more help with your feelings.